Take a moment to find a comfortable position, something that allows you to sit and simply be here for a while. Back loosely straight. Just let yourself get comfortable, whatever comfortable means for you today. And when your body feels ready, you may gently close your eyes. You may take a moment to arrive. Notice that you are here. Notice your body sitting here, feeling the weight of your body, feeling the places where your body is being supported by the chair or the cushion or whatever is underneath you. Just noticing. Taking a moment to tune in. What do you notice in your body right now? Maybe you notice some areas that feel relaxed. Maybe you notice some areas that feel tight. Maybe there's warmth, coolness, heaviness, lightness, tingling, maybe stillness. Just noticing what's here. And whatever is it that you notice, see if you can meet it with a little kindness. Simply being curious about your own experience at the moment. What is it like to be in your body right now? Just staying here for a few moments, feeling your body, feeling yourself sitting here, letting your awareness settle into the body. Now, slowly bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the breath coming in and the breath going out. Just feel the natural rhythm of your breathing. Breathing in, breathing out. Maybe you can notice where you feel the breath most clearly. Maybe at the nose, in your chest, in the belly, maybe somewhere else. And then simply staying with these sensations for a few more breaths. Breathing in, noticing. Breathing out, noticing. You might even notice that each breath has its own little texture. The beginning of the inhale, the middle, the end, and then the exhale, and the little pause before the next breath arrives. Just noticing. And as you sit here, notice what is happening in your body as you breathe. Maybe there is a subtle movement, a softening, a rising and falling. Maybe there's a feeling of warmth, or perhaps something completely different. There is so much to notice when we slow down enough to feel what is already here. And now let your awareness include your whole body, the body sitting or lying here, the breath moving through you, the sensations that are here, and simply noticing. Maybe there is a feeling or emotion present. Just see what you notice. Perhaps there is calm, happiness, sadness, some restlessness or uncertainty. Whatever is here, just notice the feeling of it. You can be curious about it. Where do you feel it in the body? What does it feel like? Does it change as you stay with it? What's the texture like? And now, notice the mind. What is happening in your mind right now? Maybe there are thoughts, images, planning, remembering, or imagining. Maybe there's thinking about something that happened earlier, or something that hasn't happened yet. Just noticing this. You may even notice that your mind has wandered. Simply noticing this too. Coming back to what is here in the body, the breath, this moment. This is the practice. The noticing, the coming back, noticing again, and coming back again. And now allowing your awareness to become a little wider, noticing the sounds around you. Maybe there are sounds close by. Maybe there are sounds farther away. Also noticing the quiet spaces in between these sounds. And for a few moments, let all of this be part of your awareness, your body, your breath, your thoughts, your feelings, the sounds around you, the space around you. All of it is happening here in this one moment. And just notice what it's like to allow your awareness to be this open. Nothing in particular you have to focus on. Just being aware of this spaciousness. And maybe you notice that underneath all the changing sensations of thoughts and feelings, there is simply this moment of being here, just sitting, breathing, being aware, staying here for a few more breaths, just noticing. And letting yourself rest in this simple awareness. You don't have to make anything special happen. Just being here. Just noticing. And whenever you're ready, gently begin to open your eyes. Let your awareness continue to notice the world around you. And take a moment to simply be here before moving into whatever comes next. Thank you for taking these few minutes for yourself. Thank you so much for your practice. I hope you can carry some of this simple awareness with you. And remember that you can always come back to this moment Just notice. Just be here.